here is $40 plus of gear for under $20. So why they are showing here $40? Because if you go to other local product or local shop, other people are actually giving this for $40, $60, whatever their price, but they're showing that you will get this for under $20 if you just buy here. So this is a very big deal. And if you again, we are telling again, if you have something to show, if you have something to locate, then tell people what you got, and then people will take more interest in your offer.
So welcome back to another episode of Ad Storming Guides. So today we are going to break down Facebook ads and homepage of famous brand called Loot Crate. So before going ahead, let me tell you something about brand. What is unique about that brand? So Loot Crate is a popular monthly subscription based model. They monthly send out the mysterious box to their customers that contains various mysterious different items, and their specialty is they never repeat the package or that box again in next month. So this is their unique specialty. And also in this episode we are going to mainly focus on their fear of missing out. Means how they use fear of missing out, and did you miss this, how they use this hook again and again to create urgency and curiosity in the mind of kids or children's. Right. So let's get started with our episode. So here is the Facebook ad from Loot Crate. If you notice read the description, did you miss these awesome items? See what Loot Crate is. While Loot Crate is highest rate subscription box. So this is again the urgency created, FOMO creating hook, that did you miss this awesome item? So yeah, they have used it very beautifully in description. And again, if you watch the creative that they have created, they have finally placed all the items like they are seeing unique and also contain lots of value. It's seen that they contain lots of value, and they have also arranged all the items in specific order that you are going to get this much of items in single package. So this box is unique and you are not going to get it anywhere.
That's also USP, right? Yeah, go ahead.
If you read this, an epic box every month. So this is their specialty, epic box every month. They change the items inside the box every month. They are not going to get that item again. So yeah, Tanmay, if you want to add something.
Yes, I want to add into this USP. I just love this unique selling proposition because you cannot guess what is going to happen in the next, what you will get in the next month, what box you are going to get, what is the material you are going to get in the next month. So this USP is very beautiful, and that's helping them grow. And their USP is especially based on FOMO, fear of missing opportunity, as you were you were talking about that. If you miss this, then you will it will create oh, I want this, I missed that box. So did you miss this awesome items? That's what they are saying. Did you miss this? Oh no, you're not going to get again. And that's their specialty. The FOMO is real. Okay, if you miss this box, then you'll never get it again, because that's what, it's a true urgency. It's a true fear of, it's a true thing that they are promising, because some of the yes, people promise that you'll not get this again. And if you go to their website, then this is available 24/7. So this is not that type of marketing. It's a real thing. So that's why they are it's helping. Like Zara also use the same USP. Zara has the same USP. So let's talk more about next ad. Okay, second Facebook ad is saying that, again, same headline, did you miss our Titan crate? Don't let another month pass you by. So they're again telling you that, okay, you have missed this and you should not miss this again, because if you miss this, you will not get again. And if you look at the packing, the box, whatever the items are inside the bag, this is very logically they have used this to to make it a perfect box. Shirt plus wristband plus if you can see the items like DVDs and all. So loot card, it's a total big deal, and it's a nobody will say no to this. And if you read, the best part is here is $40 plus of gear for under $20. So why they are showing here $24, $40? Because if you go to other local, product or local shop, other people are actually giving this for, $40, $60, whatever their price. But they're showing that you will get this for, under $20 if you just buy here. So this is a very big deal. And if you, again, we are, telling again, if you have something to show, if you have something to locate, then tell people what you got, and then people will take more interest in your offer. So other local shopkeeper for $40, but here you will get it for $20. And again, addition is use code save3 to save $3. Again, another, cutting resistance. So you'll actually save, more than 23 or 24 $25 if you get hit here right now. That's the very good part of this offer. Let's get ahead. Next part is Nilesh, do you want to add here something?
No, again they have used the same headline, because basically their USP and their hook is same throughout this Facebook campaign.
Yes, get ready for
and again, if you read the description, did you miss loot crat, unit crat, and then don't let another month pass by. Again, the same description.
Actually, what is the unique part here? Again, you can read the headline. Get ready for villains. So they have unique theme every single month, and they're describing that they have unique theme every single month. That's it. This is also a very good part. So headline remains the same, but the description changes according, offer changes according to the theme, whatever their theme is. So yes, the next part is the banner. Yes, Nilesh, do you want to add something here? The banner.
Okay, so I would like to mention this point, that throughout their ads on their website and everywhere else, they have used the same hook, that don't miss another crack. So this is how you should market or place your USP. And recently I was reading the book from J. Abraham, and he was also telling that
okay,
you should have USP, and your USP should be seen in should be placed in all your campaigns. So you have to place your USP in all your campaigns, wherever you are writing blog or putting online ads, everywhere you should mention or highlight your USP, and that's the key to success in business.
Yes, I love this part. If you have USP, then you should show it in your email, in your ad campaigns, in your let's say blogs or whatever marketing you are doing. Every single marketing should able to describe what is your USP. It should tell people that we got this USP, and your ad campaign or your marketing thing should be based on at least 5%, 10% part. You should focus every on your USP in every single ad campaign.
USPs.
So that's it for this ad. And it was simple, but some of the things were repeated, but this will help you to understand the ads more deeply, because sometimes we take ads intentionally because we want to spread the same message again and again and again and again, because we look at headline as the let's say placement or something that we take every single ad. We discuss this in every single ad. So that's it for today's episode. And if you have some of the ads that you want us to break, then just drop in the comment section in the and we'll take that. It can be landing page, sales page, or Facebook ad, or anything, copywriting material, whatever you want us to break. Just mention it in the description, and we'll take this. Okay, so yeah, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode. Bye.